What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the new update for Cyberflix TV, which is the 3.10 or the 3.10. Cyberflex, I'm going to be honest with you, some people say that it does automatically update, but I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen it. You know what I mean? If you do know, let me know about it, but I don't think it does. But that being said, every time there's an update, you can get the new update of Cyberflix on my channel's APK store. It's real easy to get into. But let me just show you how the new Cyberflix TV is. Click right into that. With the new Cyberflix TV, I did notice a couple of things he fixed. It was pretty good on the last update, but this one here, it works smooth. It's just, like I said, it's like a Terrarium clone. And it's a pretty good app. You know what I mean? Honestly, when it first rolled out, it had so many issues with it, but the developers and their team is doing a hell of a job of keeping this up to date and running smoothly. Like, it's really nothing to explain. This video is just to show you there's a new update out, which is the 3.10 or the 3.10, whichever you want to say. But you have your movies, you have your favorites, and then you go into your settings. Just to show you here, you could change your player. Go there. You could change to the Cyber Play. I have that actually in the APK store. If you guys want to check that out, I actually use MX Player. It's the same kind of setup, as you can tell, as the other how Terrarium was. But I just want to show you guys. I ain't BSing you. This is a new 3. Okay, he calls it a 3.0.10. All right. So there you go. And like I said, it works smooth, works pretty easy. Let me just show you real quick. Go into the movies. Let's go into The Incredibles. And from this point, you can hit the play button on your remote, and it'll find links for you. It looks familiar. Yeah, everything on it is really good. Give it a second. It should come up. And there you go. And also, too, what I notice is where the developers of this APK, they're very on point when it comes to any mess up. So if something messing up, I'll leave a link down below where you can probably contact the developer or something and, you know, message him. There you go. You can message him and say, hey, listen, what's up with this? Or, you know, it's real simple to do. All right. So I'm sorry, this video is just a quick video, but it's just showing you, hey, it's a new version out. Check it out. And also, if you have any previous version of Terrarium or Cyberflex, delete them and download this one, because I believe it would cross pass and it won't download properly. Okay, just to give you guys a heads up. Now, to get this APK, you're going to go to the FileLink store. If you don't have it, the link is down below of how to get it and how to use it. And if you guys already have it, or if you guys already download it and ready to go, you just open it up and you're going to be prompted the screen. Let this load up. It's going to say, please enter a valid file link code, which my channel's file link code is this right here, 645-39676. And from this point, you hit continue and this will come up. Now, I try to keep up to date with most of my APKs, not my APKs, but the APKs that I upload on my channel's store. I try to keep them up to date. If they are out of date, guys, just let me know in the comments or on my Facebook support group. Please join it. Just hit me up and say, hey, listen, this just came out. Can you check it out? Or if you even have any requests on me reviewing any APKs, say, hey, can you check out this APK? And I'll check it out, and then I'll tell you my honest opinion about it, which if it's good or bad, because there is some good apps that are bad, and there is issues where, you know, other YouTubers, they make it look so great, but there is issues. And hey, there's no reason for me to lie to you guys, so hey, I'll just tell you the truth. All right, so from this point, you see right here, Cyberflix TV 3. I call it the 3.10. Doesn't matter. It's the newest one. And from this point, you're going to see that download button. You're going to click that. You're going to let it load up. Once it loads up, you're going to hit install. or you're gonna hit the play button, I meant to say. See how it turned to a play button? Gonna click that. Once you click that, you're gonna click down to install. You're gonna click install, and then, well, I just clicked it there. But you're gonna click install, and once it says done or open, okay, it's going to, say done or open. You just hit done, or just open, and you're ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and as well as hit the like button, and also hit the bell button on YouTube, so that when I push out new videos, you'll get a notification saying, hey, I got a new video out or updated video. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, have a great evening.